The MUSICOZY Sleep Headphones Bluetooth headband is a unique combination of a sports headband and wireless headphones designed for comfort and convenience in various activities such as sleeping, yoga, running, and travel. This product merges the functionality of a soft, breathable headband made from a premium blend of spandex and nylon with integrated Bluetooth 5.4 wireless headphones. The design aims to offer an immersive audio experience without the discomfort commonly associated with traditional earbuds or headphones, especially during sleep or physical activity. One of the standout features of this headband is its fabric. The spandex nylon blend provides exceptional elasticity and softness, making it comfortable to wear for extended periods. Users report that it is lightweight and breathable, which prevents overheating and discomfort even when worn overnight or during workouts. The fabric's durability also allows for easy cleaning, which is essential for a product worn close to the skin. The audio quality is delivered through 40mm composite drivers that provide HD stereo sound with clear highs and deep bass. While not audiophile grade, the sound quality is more than adequate for casual listening, podcasts, audiobooks, and white noise. Many users have praised the clarity and volume, noting that even at low volume settings, the sound is sufficiently loud without disturbing nearby sleepers. The headphones rest on top of the ears rather than inside them, making them ideal for side sleepers who often find earbuds uncomfortable or prone to falling out. Bluetooth 5.4 technology ensures a stable and fast connection with compatible devices such as smartphones, tablets, and laptops within a 10-meter range. Pairing is straightforward and reliable, with button controls located on the forehead area of the headband. These buttons are easy to locate and operate even in the dark, enhancing usability for nighttime use. The headband also includes a built-in microphone, allowing users to take calls hands-free, which adds to its versatility. Battery life is a crucial aspect of any wireless audio device, and the MUSICOZY headband delivers up to 14 hours of continuous playback or talk time after a 1 to 2 hour charge. This extended battery life supports full-day use, whether for sleep, exercise, or travel. However, some users have reported issues with battery longevity and durability over time, including connectivity problems after extended charging or repeated use. It is recommended to avoid overcharging and to monitor battery health to maintain performance. Comfort is a major selling point for this product. Users consistently highlight how the headband stays comfortable even when lying on a pillow or moving during sleep. Unlike traditional earbuds, the speakers do not cause discomfort or fall out when changing position. However, there is some feedback regarding the sizing, as the headband is not truly one size fits all. Some users find it slightly too large, causing it to slip off during the night. This issue can be remedied with minor adjustments such as sewing or using hairpins, but it is worth noting for potential buyers. The MUSICOZY headband is also praised for its multifunctionality. Beyond sleep, it is suitable for jogging, yoga, cycling, and general exercise. The wireless design and soft fabric make it a practical alternative to bulky headphones or uncomfortable earbuds during physical activity. The headband's ability to block some ambient noise while delivering audio makes it a useful tool for relaxation and focus. On the downside, the product does not offer active noise cancellation, which some users might expect in a sleep headphone product. Notifications from the Bluetooth connection, such as the connected sound or battery alerts, can be loud and disruptive if not managed properly. Users have suggested that these sounds could be quieter or optional to avoid waking them during the night. Durability is a mixed aspect of the MUSICOZY Bluetooth headband. While many users enjoy the comfort and sound quality, there are repeated reports of the product not lasting beyond a year of use. Issues typically involve one side of the headphones ceasing to function without any visible damage or repair option. Customer service responsiveness appears limited, with some users struggling to obtain warranty support or replacements. Despite these concerns, the product's low price point, generally between $15 and $20, makes it an attractive option for those seeking an affordable sleep headphone solution. The headband comes with a USB Type-C charging cable and a user manual, making it easy to get started. It is marketed as a gift option for a wide range of users, including men, women, teens, and children, and is suitable for various occasions such as birthdays, Christmas, and holidays. Its stylish design and unisex appeal add to its broad usability. Overall, the MUSICOZY Sleep Headphones Bluetooth headband offers a compelling blend of comfort, sound quality, and battery life at an accessible price. It is particularly well suited for side sleepers and those who dislike traditional earbuds. While durability and warranty support may be concerns for some, The product's ease of use and multifunctionality make it a popular choice among users, looking for a practical and comfortable audio solution for sleep and exercise. Potential buyers should consider sizing carefully and be mindful of battery care to maximize the lifespan of the device. If you own this product, please consider leaving a review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. The link to the product is in the description, and using it supports the channel. This headband is a noteworthy gadget for those seeking a comfortable, wireless audio experience that adapts to both relaxation and active lifestyles.